Welcome to Shan Solutions. Now today we are going to learn multiplication tables, tricks and tips for 8th table or 8 times of a number. Now what I am going to do is going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Let me have a break here. Again the same number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, then I'm going to start from this break 0, all even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. If you know reverse order of a number, you can write 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Now here 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, or you can start from the last like 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here also 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72 and 8 tens are 80. Children, I hope this video will be useful for you for learning 8th table. If you have any doubts, comment and share your ideas. Thank you. If you like, subscribe Shan.